Beautiful 2010 Heritage Softail to walk around. Got the two-tone paint set. Got the silver and the blue, both with a nice metal flake to it. The 96 cubic inch balanced Softail motor. And a great sounding set of Vance and Hines pipes. Of course, the features on the Heritage Softail, like the leather saddlebags, studded saddle, baby moon hubs, and lace profile wheels, give it a real classic, nostalgic look. Straight out of the 50s. But this bike's full of 21st century technology. Nice leather trim on the console. Got the bling bezel on the speedometer. Looking at 60,309 miles on this motorcycle today. Got the chrome grips with the throttle buddy. Let you stretch your hand out while you're blazing down the highway. Kind of rest your palm on there and keep it going. Great looking bike. And you know what else? It sounds even better. Check this out. Love the sound of that. Come on down, experience it for yourself today right here at Cox's Harley Davidson, where every day is demo day.